Good evening. Okay, let's start quickly. We have two sets today. Okay, first problem. Four students, Kali, Ranu, Dia, and Dev, were asked the names of the heads of four labs, Alpha, Beta, Theta, and Gamma, in a college. The heads of these four labs are Mr. Hari, Mr. Karan, Mr. Ram, and Mr. Arjun, though not necessarily in the same order. Okay, so based on the given information, what you have to do is figure out uh, who were the head of these four labs respectively. Okay, so Kali, Ranu, Dia, and Dev have given some answers as head of the labs, but that may or may not be correct. So you have to tally the detail and figure out who is the head of which lab exactly. Do it. Everybody should try. Okay, I hope you are sitting with pen and paper. This is not something you have to watch, this is something you have to solve. Okay, get started. Let me know once you're done. And let me know if you need some help with some clue. Okay. Good evening. Try the set. Don't send the answers. Whatever you have solved, just keep it there. When I give the questions, you can answer that time. Okay, we'll start the poll. You can have a look at questions for once. You have to find out who is the head of Alpha, for which lab none of the students identified the correct head, which student did not give any correct answers, and how many correct lab heads were identified by Kali. Banu, you can start with maybe any book, any like basic book like Tata McGraw-Hill. You can use Arun Sharma sir's book or any other book. It doesn't matter because सिर्फ book से prepare करना enough नहीं होगा anyways. So you can start with the book, but later you'll have to rely on some mocks or कोई ना कोई sources चाहिए होंगे क्योंकि pattern काफी change हो गया है. तो एक चीज और ध्यान रखना कि book use भी कर रहे हो तो थोड़ा updated version का use करना है ना क्योंकि जो पहले सेट्स आते थे और जो अभी आते थे वो काफी चेंज हो गए हैं. I don't know. There is no best book. All books are equal only. You can solve from any books for the basics, and then later you can start with some mocks and other things for cat level practice because that those type of questions you will not find in the book. Okay, try everyone. Try the set. It's a good set. Try to get it right. एग्जाम का टाइमिंग 1 मिनट. Okay, those who are done can see the question slide. Take a screenshot, but don't send the answers. Wait for we'll wait for some time. Let everybody try, and then we will start the question. Okay. Take a screenshot. Don't send the answers. Yes, Bhavna, we are going back to that page. Just a moment. Okay. Okay. The timing for the test is 9 to 10. It's just an 1 hour test, which will have 30 questions, 10 from each section. PM, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, guys, try the question. Are you able to do it? No, it's an 1 hour test which will have 30 questions, 10 from each set. No, it's all mixed, yeah. It's all mixed. 30 questions out of that maximum you answer. Based on that, the result will be announced. It is not a section wise like 1 hour, 3 hours ka test nahi hai. It's just 1 hour ka test where there are 30 questions and 10 from each section are there. You have to get as many as correct. Other details you'll get on that day only. This is all I know. See, anybody can attend, but the thing is, you will be getting all India rank and percentile. You'll have to attend it live, okay? And नेगेटिव मार्किंग ये सब तो यार पूछना पड़ेगा, अभी आइडिया नहीं है मुझे, मैं एक बार इन्फॉर्म कर दूंगी आपको कल, ठीक है? और जो है यहाँ पे टॉप 500 जो स्टूडेंट्स होंगे उनको प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन मिलेंगे फ्री, ठीक है? तो जो फर्स्ट 10 रैंक्स हैं उनको 1 ईयर का फ्री सब्सक्रिप्शन मिलेगा, नेक्स्ट 15 को 6 मंथ्स का, नेक्स्ट 25 को 3 मंथ्स का, और नेक्स्ट 450 स्टूडेंट्स को 1 मंथ का फ्री सब्सक्रिप्शन मिलेगा, ठीक है? तो दैट्स दिस टेस्ट अबाउट, तो जो जैसा प्रिपेयर्ड है वो लोग अकॉर्डिंगली रैंक मिल सकते हैं उनको, ठीक है? सो जस्ट पार्टिसिपेट, ठीक है? बट डोंट गेट डिमोटिवेटेड if you are not, like, if you are not at the right stage of your preparation, and don't get a good score, don't get demotivated, just attempt it, just for the sake of seeing where you stand, okay? यार प्लीज लिंक, आई हैव पोस्टेड द लिंक, आप अभी पूछते एक एक क्वेश्चन पूछते एक एक करके पूछ रहे हो सेम चीजें। 26 को टेस्ट है, 9 PM to 10 PM, द लिंक इज प्रोवाइडेड, क्लिक ऑन दैट, सब कुछ वहां पे मेंशन है जो भी मैंने अभी बताया है, ठीक है? ओके, दोज हु आर डन प्लीज send that thumbs up sign so that I can understand कि should we start or wait. Those who have joined just now, please try it quickly. Okay, so 18 people are done out of 61. I think we'll wait for 2-3 minutes more. Okay, please wait. Hi, please solve the set. Thank you, Shruti. So others who didn't watch the battle, I'll send a link today. It's on YouTube now, so you can watch it. Yeah, those who are done, take a screenshot of this page and start solving, but don't post the answers here. Wait, we'll start the poll, okay? Guys, as you are done, you can keep sending um, those smileys so that I can understand. Yeah, Ashu will start it. एक मिनट और देख लेते हैं. Okay, so those who are still solving, take a screenshot of this page and keep solving. We will just get done with the poll because it's been 15 minutes since I gave you the question. Okay. First question, who is the head of Alpha? So mark your answers quickly. Those who have joined now, take a screenshot and keep solving. Yeah, I haven't marked that. We are just taking the poll. Okay, because I don't remember the answer, we'll have to solve it now to get the correct answers. Okay, so we have got 61%, 24%, and 15% votes for these, and zero for Mr. Karan. Okay, for which lab none of the students identified the correct head? This is the set. Those who have joined now, take a screenshot and keep trying. So many different answers. Next, which student did not give any correct answers? Oh, excuse me. Okay, so very close call between these three options. So I think a lot of you have solved, but very few have got the correct answers. How many correct lab heads were identified by Kali? Okay, let's see. Okay, four students, Kali, Ranu, Dia, and Dev, were asked the names of heads of four labs, Alpha, Beta, Theta, and Gamma, in a college. The heads of these four labs were Mr. Hari, Mr. Karan, Mr. Ram, and Mr. Arjun, though not necessarily in the same order. So, what we have to do is each of these students have guessed the name of labs, like for each of the labs. Okay, so let's take a table. We'll take a table, we'll write down the name of the students here and the name of the labs here. And we'll write down their guesses below for each lab. Okay. All right. So the labs are alpha, beta, theta, and gamma. And the students are Kali, Rano, Dia, and Dev. Now we are going to use the clues and write down who guessed what names for which labs. Okay. And then accordingly, at the end, we have to figure out which lab had which lab head. Okay, who is the lab head of the exact lab. Okay, first clue is Ranu named Mr. Ram as Alpha's head. Mr. Ram as Alpha's head and Mr. Arjun as Theta's head. Mr. Arjun as Theta's head. Next clue is both Kali and Diya named Mr. Hari as the Gamma head. Both Kali and Diya. Okay. Mr. Hari as Gamma head. Alright. Next, Kali didn't name Mr. Karan as Theta head. Kali didn't name Mr. Karan as Theta head. So write Karan and just cancel it. So first we are just going on using the clues one after the other. Okay, as I have told you as we go ahead. So those are the steps. First we read the first part. We understood what we have to do. Next, number 2, we took the logical framework. Okay, we got it ready. Then we started number 3, we started reading the clues. Now what are we going to do? We are going to use the clues in an order. Okay, and whichever are the direct clues, we'll put it into the table, and whichever are the indirect clues, those we'll put it aside as visual clues. Okay, and use them later for analysis to get the entire solution. Okay, next, what do we know next? No two students named the same person as the head in case of lab beta. So everybody have given different names for lab beta. Okay, just write it here, different names. Next, Diya and Dev named the same person as the head in case of exactly 2 of the 4 labs. No other pair of students apart from Diya and Dev named the same person as the head in case of these 2 particular labs. So can you tell me which 2 particular labs they are talking about? Which are the 2 particular labs they are talking about? Okay, so the answer is alpha and theta. Okay, that is correct. Alpha and theta is the correct answer. Those are the 2 labs that were answered. That like for the Dia and they gave the same answer for those 2. How do we figure that out? So they told us that exactly Dia and Dev are giving the same answer for exactly 2 labs, and that lab cannot be beta. Why? Because for beta, everybody is giving different answers. So that cannot be beta. Number 2, it cannot be gamma. Why not gamma? Because they also told us that name the same person as the head in case of these 2 particular labs, and no other pair of student apart from Dia and Dev name the same person as the head in these 2 particular labs. So we see in gamma, already Diya and Kali are the pair who are entering the same name. So Diya and Dev cannot be giving the same name in lab gamma. Okay, otherwise that condition will be violated. So which means these 2 values and these 2 values are going to be the same. ठीक है, जिन्होंने भी अल्फा और थीटा के अलावा कुछ और बोला था, इज इट क्लियर नाउ? आयुष, इट्स नॉट बीटा गामा, इट्स अल्फा थीटा. Okay, all right. Next, any doubts, anybody? Anybody who wants me to explain again? Okay. So they are telling that Kali, no two students name the same person as the like same name and beta. Okay. And Diya and Dev named the same person in case of exactly 2 of the 4 labs. So that lab cannot be beta because everybody is giving different names there. Okay. Also, they are saying that like no other pair of students who named the apart from Diya and Dev named the same person as the head in case of these 2 particular labs. So if you take for gamma Mr. Hari, then even Kali and Diya are giving the same name. No, so that is not allowed. They are telling that no other pair of students can give the same name. No other pair of students can give the same name to. Okay, no other pair of students have given the same name to like any of the lab. Okay, so it can't be Kali and Diya and Dev both giving the same set of names for gamma. Therefore, it have to be theta and alpha. If two exactly 2 labs have to be there, in which this should be allowed, it have to be alpha and theta. It cannot be beta and gamma. Okay, we'll proceed now. The person who named who was named as the head of different lab, why each student was identified correctly by Dev, and it was Dev's only correct answer. So this we are going to use later. Ranu gave exactly two correct answers, and no student give the same name for two or more labs. Okay, so which means everybody have given different names for different labs. So what can be the name here? See, the name here cannot be Mr. Arjun, cannot be Mr. Hari, can be either Mr. Ram or Mr. Karan. Okay, what do you think it will be? It can be Karan or Ram here. What do you think it will be? Yeah, the answer is Karan and not Ram. I'll tell you why. Because if you put Ram here, then what are you going to put here? See, for Kali also, for Kali, Mr. Karan can't be here. And already Mr. Hari is there, already Arjun is here. So what are the options left here for Kali? The options left are again either Ram or what is the other name? Arjun Karan. Hari Arjun. Okay, Hari can't be here. Arjun can't be here. No, maybe Arjun can be there. Okay, Karan can't be there because it is mentioned that Karan can't be there. But maybe either Ram or Arjun can be there. Is that possible? No other pair of students apart from Dia and Dev named the same person as the head in case of those two particular labs. But maybe there can be some other pair who is doing it. Is it possible? Yeah, that is not possible because it's given no two students name the same person. Okay, that is for beta. No. What about this? Can it be? It is possible. Can we take also Arjun here? Maybe we can. Okay, so we can't comment right now. So what is that thing we can comment on? Uh, Mr. Hari and Mr. Karan have to be put here. So whom can we put where again? How do you tell that, Guru? No two students give the same name for two or more labs. इसका मतलब ये है कि मिस्टर राम अगर रानू ने अल्फा के लिए दिया है तो मिस्टर राम वो फिर से किसी और लैब के लिए नहीं दे सकती. ठीक है, ये है उसका मतलब. Okay, no other pair of students apart from Dia and Dev named the same person as the head in case of these two particular labs. So theta is the lab in which Dia and Dev are giving the same answer, right? So in case of that particular lab, no other pair can give the same answers, which means Kali and Ranu cannot have same answers in case of theta lab, which means the answer here is going to be Mr. Ram. Okay, and not Mr. Arjun. Clear? Theta by Kali cannot be Arjun. Yeah, right. Okay. अगर राम को लेंगे तो दिया एंड रानो का सेम हो जाएगा, कैसे सेम हो जाएगा? हाँ, यहाँ पे मिस्टर राम को नहीं ले सकते, यहाँ पे मिस्टर राम को नहीं ले सकते, मिस्टर हरि को नहीं ले सकते, ऑलरेडी हो चुका है। तो यहाँ पे फिर से कौन आएगा, करण या अर्जुन, इन दोनों में से कोई आएंगे यहाँ पे। ठीक है, ओके हियर थीटा के लिए काली ऑलरेडी इट इज गिवन दैट काली डिडंट नेम मिस्टर करण एज थीटाज हेड। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे करण नहीं हो सकता था, हरि नहीं हो सकता था, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी काली ने हरि पुट किया है गामा के लिए। तो हरि नहीं हो सकता था, करण नहीं हो सकता था। अब दो ऑप्शंस बचे थे, अर्जुन या राम। अर्जुन नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि इन्होंने बोला है नो अदर पेयर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिया एंड देव named the same person as the head in case of these two particular labs. So we have already figured out it is alpha और theta। उन दोनों labs के लिए दिया और देव जो है वो सेम आंसर्स दे रहे हैं, राइट। सो उन दोनों labs, उन दो पर्टिकुलर labs में काली और रानो सेम आंसर नहीं दे सकते। उन दोनों पर्टिकुलर labs में कोई और दो लोग सेम आंसर्स नहीं देंगे, इसीलिए यहाँ पे अर्जुन नहीं लिख सकते, अदरवाइज इन दोनों का आंसर भी सेम हो जाएगा, इस पेयर का भी, दैट इज नॉट अलाउड, देयरफॉर इट इज मिस्टर राम। क्लियर? ओके, नाउ व्हाट अबाउट दिस? अब बीटा का सबका अलग अलग होना है, ठीक है। देखो व्हाट कैन वी पुट हियर। ऑल्सो एक ऐसे भी प्रोफेसर, एक ऐसे भी लैब हेड है जिनका नाम सबने अलग अलग लैब के लिए दिया है, ठीक है, वो उनको भी फिगर आउट करना है। तो वो हरी नहीं हो सकते क्योंकि उनका नाम ऑलरेडी सेम दो लोगों ने दिया है यहाँ पे, ठीक है। और जो भी दो नाम यहाँ आएंगे वो नहीं हो सकते, ठीक है। तो जो दो नाम यहाँ पे आ सकते हैं वो कौन से हैं? अब राम नहीं हो सकता, अर्जुन नहीं हो सकता, हरि नहीं हो सकता, क्या होगा यहाँ पे? करण, है ना। तो यानी कि यहाँ पे इट्स करण फॉर थीटा। बोथ दिया एंड देव हैव गिवन द नेम मिस्टर करण, विच मीन्स यहाँ पे अब करण नहीं होगा क्योंकि करण उधर हो गया, तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? अर्जुन, मिस्टर अर्जुन, मिस्टर अर्जुन, ठीक है। विच मीन्स इट इज मिस्टर राम जिनका नाम सभी ने अलग अलग लैब्स के लिए लिया है, ठीक है, क्योंकि वो अब अर्जुन नहीं हो सकते, करण नहीं हो सकते, हरि नहीं हो सकते, ठीक है। ऑल राइट, ओके, सो वी सी अर्जुन ऑलरेडी, रानो, दिया एंड देव तीनों ने अर्जुन ऑलरेडी पुट कर दिया है। इट्स ओनली काली हु इज लेफ्ट, सो काली विल हैव टू डू इट फॉर बीटा बिकॉज फॉर काली everybody is giving different names, so it is Mr. Arjun here. If we tell Karan name in alpha, yeah, so in alpha it will be Karan by Kali, correct. Joshna, what your doubt? What's your doubt? हर्ष, क्या कैसे? ठीक है, यहाँ पे क्या होगा अब? यहाँ पे क्या नाम बच रहे हैं? मिस्टर राम, ठीक है। यहाँ पे अगर मिस्टर राम हो गया तो यहाँ पे इसके लिए होगा मिस्टर राम। तो यहाँ पे क्या बच रहा है? मिस्टर हरी। अगर मिस्टर हरी यहाँ पे देव के लिए आ रहा है तो नो, रानू विल नॉट टेल हरी इन बीटा, इट विल बी देव। थीटा में करण आया क्योंकि अर्जुन, राम और हरि ऑलरेडी हो चुके थे ना, इस रो में ऑलरेडी अर्जुन और राम हो चुके हैं, तो वो तो नहीं हो सकते इन दोनों के लिए। और इस दिया ने ऑलरेडी हरि, मिस्टर हरि जो है वो गामा के लिए दे चुका है, तो वो फिर से मिस्टर हरि नहीं ले सकती ना यहाँ पे। क्लियर? Those who have joined now, just wait, we'll start with the next question, we are almost done with this. Okay, so we are almost done. ये मिस्टर हरि यहाँ पे कैसे आया? इज दैट क्लियर? Because Mr. Ram have to be the one who have लाइक जिसका नाम सबने अलग अलग लैब के लिए लिया है, क्योंकि इट्स गिवन हियर that the person whose name was identified as the head of different lab by each student was identified correctly by Dev. So वो आंसर देव का करेक्ट है, यानी कि मिस्टर राम जो है ये आंसर देव का करेक्ट है, यानी कि गामा के हेड कौन है, मिस्टर राम। और फिर उन्होंने ये भी बताया है कि रानो के भी जो है दो आंसर्स करेक्ट है। तो रानू के ये आंसर तो रॉन्ग हो गया क्योंकि यहाँ पे हेड कौन है, मिस्टर राम। रानू का ये आंसर भी रॉन्ग हो गया क्योंकि मिस्टर राम अल्फा के नहीं गामा के हेड है, यानी कि यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर्स होंगे ये दो रानू के। ठीक है, यानी कि बीटा के हेड है मिस्टर करण और थीटा के हेड है मिस्टर अर्जुन, which leaves us with Mr. Hari. Okay, so Mr. Hari is the name. Mr. Hari is the head for alpha. Clear? We are done. Okay, let's see the answers. Who is the head of alpha? So it is Mr. Hari, option 3. Only 15% had marked that. For which lab none of the students identified the correct head? It was alpha. Only 12% marked it. Which student did not give any correct answers? So we see if this Hari is the head here, this is wrong. If Karan is the head here, this is wrong. If Arjun is the head here, this is wrong. If Ram is the head here, this is wrong. So Diya did not give any correct answers. What about Kali? Wrong, 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 and wrong. Also for Kali. Kali and Diya are the two persons who did not answer, who did not give any correct answer. So the option is option 4. Question 4. How many lab heads were identified by Kali? 0. The answer is 0. Okay. Next problem. Solve it. Answer 4 was 0. Kali didn't identify any correct lab head. Are you done? Okay, let me know once you are done. So I think it's not fixed because are they all facing north? Yes, 9% are sitting in a row facing north. It's given no. So figure out what is left. If everybody is facing north, what will be their left side? Those who have joined now, solve the question. These are the questions. Those who are done, start solving them, but don't post the answer. We'll start the poll. What happened, Nitin? Try it. It's easy. You'll be able to do it. Yeah, thank you. Yes, you can say that. Sitting arrangement plus matching puzzle because you have to also match them with the color of the shirt. Okay, anyways, it's given only, but the color of the shirts are being used as a clue as well. Okay, so it's a sitting arrangement plus puzzle kind of thing. Did you get the perfect solution, Sri Harsha? Okay. So how many of you are done? Shall we start? Okay, Gaurav. Fourth clue. Fourth clue says there are two pairs in each of which persons are wearing the same color shirt and are sitting adjacent to each other. And these two pairs are not together. Okay, which means two people either wearing blue or red. Okay, they are seated, like there are only two such pairs. Okay, it can be either blue, like two pairs having blue, but that is not possible since there are only three people in total who are wearing the blue shirt. So maybe it's possible there is one pair with blue shirts and there is one pair with red shirt, or it is possible there are two pairs who are wearing red shirts and sitting close to each other, next to each other. But these two pairs are not together. There have to be other people in between who are not wearing the same color shirts. These are the questions. We'll start with the poll in just 2 minutes, okay? Yeah, Devanshi will start with the poll just 1 minute. Guys, should we start now? Okay, let's see. So, first question: how many people are sitting between T and V? Okay, so most of you have answered option three. We'll see if it is the correct answer or not. Okay, after we solve. Which of the following is a group of persons sitting to the right of W? Okay, I'm only writing the majority votes, 50 and 34%. Next, who is in who is at the middlemost position of the row? V, Q, R, U. Please refresh, Lokesh. Okay, so most of you have answered this, around 50%. Let's see the last one. Who is sitting at the extreme right position? All right, we'll start with the solution now. So those who didn't get it or those who got it wrong, let's see how to do it. Why? Okay, because it is given that P and R are sitting at the extreme ends. Okay, so only P is there in the last option. So it's very clear that it have to be P who is at the extreme right position. Right. Okay. There is one more question which could have been answered like that. That is question number 2. Okay. Which of the following is a group of persons sitting to the right of W? So we like after you go through the clues, you should know that S is to the left of W. Okay. So S cannot be to the right, and V definitely have to be to the right because there is some clue like that. Okay. I'll show you. Okay. I'll show you when we are doing it. That we could have answered that also with just the clues. Okay. Let's start the solution now. Okay, so 9 persons are sitting in the row facing north. So if everybody is facing north, this side will be their left side and this will be their right side. P is wearing a green shirt. Q, R, and S are wearing blue shirt. T, U, V, W, and Z are wearing red shirt. No two persons wearing blue shirt are sitting together. Okay, it's already given to us that no two persons wearing blue shirts are sitting together, which means in the fourth clue it have to be two pairs of red, two pairs of people who are wearing red. The person wearing green shirt is not sitting adjacent to any of the persons wearing blue shirt. Okay, green shirt is not adjacent to blue. S is sitting to the immediate left of U. Immediate left. So S and U have to be together where S is on this side of U. Okay. A person wearing blue shirt is to the immediate left of Z. So blue and Z have to be together like that. Okay, blue is to the left. U is the only person sitting between W and a person wearing blue. But we see U is like U is here, right? So if on one side W is there, that side have to be this. And this is the person wearing blue. So U is in between the person wearing blue and W. Yes, Priyanka. We are just solving this question. This is the last one. You can watch the recording later. So we saw some good questions today. You can watch it later. Okay. Harsh, it is given U is the only person sitting between W and the one wearing blue shirt. ठीक है, बट वी ऑलरेडी नो कि यू के लेफ्ट एकदम इमीडिएट लेफ्ट पे कौन है एस. अगर यू के इमीडिएट लेफ्ट पे एस है तो ये जो केस था वो ऐसा भी हो सकता था ब्लू यू और डब्ल्यू. यू इज इन बिटवीन ब्लू शर्ट एंड डब्ल्यू. तो इफ यू के लेफ्ट में एस है वी हैव टू गो विद दिस केस एंड दिस पर्सन वेयरिंग ब्लू इज एस. That's how we got this. I've combined both the clues. Clear? Okay. Next, a person wearing, okay, this is done. There are two pairs in which each of the person wearing the same color shirt are sitting adjacent to each other, and these two pairs are not sitting together. So, two pairs will be red. Okay, two people wearing red and another two people wearing red will be sitting together. Okay, two pairs, but in between them there have to be someone else, maybe wearing blue or something like that. Okay, there have to be other people. These two pairs cannot be seated together. So there cannot be four people together who are wearing same shirt. In short, that is the meaning. Next one, P and R are sitting at the extreme ends and U is to the left of V. If U is to the left of V, V can be anywhere on this side. Okay, you can be anywhere on that side because it's not given immediate left or something like that, or how much left, that is not mentioned. So it is just left, which means V can be anywhere at any position from U to this side, so that such that U is to the left of V. Okay, next. Next, last clue is one of the persons wearing red is sitting between Q and the one who is wearing green. One of the person wearing red is sitting between Q and the one who is wearing green. So Q, red, green. It have to be like that, or green, red, Q. One of these orders have to be there. In green, we know is P. Okay. So now what we will do is we don't know, we don't have any definite clue. So how will we start? We will take two cases. Yeah. So P and R we know are sitting at the extreme ends. Let's fix them. Let's fix P. Let's like one case, first case, let's fix P here on this left end. Other case, let's fix P here on the right end. Okay. Okay. So sorry. Excuse me. P here. So then in this case, R will be here because P and R are on extreme ends, and in this case, R will be here. Also, we can use this clue. So for this first case, we are going to require this clue. Okay. P and someone wearing red, and Q. Q is also wearing, no, Q is wearing blue. Okay. And according to the other case, someone wearing red here and Q here. Q is wearing blue. Okay. Now we have to place the others, but we know that two people wearing blue can't be together. We know that SUW have to like be here somewhere, but we can't start S from there because two people wearing blue cannot be together. So maybe Z can be here because blue and Z, they are together. Maybe we don't know. Let's start blue from here. Let's try blue from here, S from here. Because S, U, W, and even V have to be that side, right? So S, S, U, W, V. This should be the solution, and then Z should come here. Okay. Because Z is to the immediate left of Z, we have someone wearing blue. So who can this person be then? T. Okay, T is wearing red, fine. Z is wearing what? Red. S is blue. U is red. W is red. V is red. And R is blue. So we see we have not satisfied this fourth clue. According to the first case, we have not satisfied the fourth clue. Therefore, this case is incorrect. So we have to go with this one. We have to be at the rightmost position. Is that clear? ठीक है, बाकी सारे क्लूज जो है वो satisfy हो गए थे, but except the pair one. So we'll start with this case now. P we will place here and R we will place here such that Q is here. Okay, so this is Q is wearing blue. This person will be red. This P is green. R is red. Now what? We know that blue and Z and S, U, and W have to be together. So we can place SUW here or SUW here or SUW here. We have three options. Oh, sorry, R is blue. Okay, R is blue, so we cannot place S here then. One option is cancelled. We cannot place S here because then two blues will be together. So we can start S from here, SUW, or we can start S from here, SUW. These are the two options because we can even be there, right? We can also be there. Let's see then which of the cases is correct. If you start from here, so you can put Z here maybe because W is red. Okay, so we can put Z here. Okay, because to the immediate left of Z we have blue. So Z is red and S is blue. U is red. W is red. And who will come here then? It can be V. In this case, it's V here. Blue, red, red. So we have got two U and W red wearing red together. Okay. Now if we go with this case where we are putting SUW here, then we'll have to put T or V here and both of them are wearing red. So we will get three reds together. Therefore, we can't go for that case. We can't start blue here. We have to start it from the, we have to start from S with the fourth position, not the third one. Clear? Okay, also, okay, right. Also one clue is given that no, U is to the left of V. That is true in both the cases. That was true in both the cases, Harsh. Okay, but we have to start S from here. We cannot start it from the third position. S, U, W, and V. So now T comes here. T is red. We have got one pair wearing red together. Then we have a blue, and then we have got another pair wearing red together. So now all the clues are satisfied, and this is the perfect solution that we get. Okay, I was telling you that one more question was there that could have been solved from the clues. It was the second question. You see, which of the following is a group of persons sitting to the right of W? So right of W, V have to be there, and S cannot be there. If you look at the options, in these three options, V are there. In this one, it's not. You can cancel this option. And in these two options, S is there. S cannot be there. S cannot be to the right of W. So the answer is 2. Also, this one we could have answered just like that. Who is in the middle position of the row, that you could not have answered without getting the final perfect solution. How many persons are sitting between T and V, that also you could not have answered without the perfect solution. Okay, so this question could have been partially answered just with the help of clues, like just if you noted down the clues and not get the perfect solution, even then you could have answered 2 questions. That's my point. Okay, so always look out for it. How many persons are sitting between T and V? Between T and V, there were 4 people: S, U, W, and Q. Okay, so to the right of W, it's Q, V, and P. Who is in the middlemost position of the row? It is U. And who is to the extreme right position? It is P. So this was not difficult, but it required a lot of analysis because no fixed clue was given. So if no fixed clues are given, then the question is not difficult, but you need to like take a lot of cases and figure out ki kaun sa case. You have to just cancel out the cases on the basis of the clues. Fatafat match karke cancel karte jana hai cases ko to get a perfect solution. Why S can't be third? क्योंकि S को अगर आप थर्ड रखोगे तो आपको वो 2 पेयर जो है फोर्थ वाला क्लू वो नहीं मिलेगा. S, U, W, ब्लू, रेड, रेड. ठीक है, अब जो बचा है वो कौन है? टी है, रेड. 3 रेड एक साथ मिल गए और फोर्थ क्लू जो है वो वायोलेट हो गया. Okay, thank you. We're done with the class. Tomorrow we won't have a class. Okay, tomorrow I have GMAT class. Now we'll have it on Saturday. Okay, so I'll send the link there. And do you like still want to continue with miscellaneous problems, or do you want me to start with PYQs now? 2018 paper. Also, the daily practice questions have started already. Okay, today was the third question that was posted. If you have still not followed the link, you can do it. I'll again post it. I posted it in the morning itself, the link. Okay, so today we'll take a poll once for PYQs and miscellaneous. Just post your answers there. Let's see how it goes. Time will be, I think, same only. We'll keep it same only for now, 7. It's on FB page. I posted the link in the morning on the group. Group link is given here. Join the group. You'll find the link there for those questions. Yeah, join this Telegram group. There you will find the link to the daily practice questions. It was posted today morning itself. ओके चलो थैंक यू. और वो 26 को टेस्ट दे लो है ना, स्कॉलरशिप वाला. सो दोज हु कैन गेट अ स्कॉलरशिप फ्रॉम देयर, इट्स वेरी गुड. अदरवाइज इफ यू आर प्लानिंग टू जॉइन, then May will be the best one to join. We are coming up with like so many courses. पूरा conceptual course जो है May में cover करेंगे. So courses कल launch हो जाएंगे. उसके बाद I'll give you the details for them on Saturday. So if you are planning, you can plan accordingly. Okay, thank you. All the best. For any other further queries, you can reach out. Thank you. Bye.